testing Clyde here, seeing how well this test goes. It's almost ready for being marketed. Anyways, this is a, what do we call this? It's a model dispenser, first of all. This is for off-grid survivalist purposes, in case the world comes to an end and you want to have access to information about anything, because these models actually hold, some of them, all the knowledge of the world, which might come in handy when there's no power and no internet and you need to find out something about fixing your car or whatever. So you click System Resources, and you can see mine here. And because all these models are different sizes, some of them won't work very well on your whatever resources your computer has. I don't have a GPU, so it puts me in the lower tier here, but this is my favorite, the 8B. Start. That's 8B, 8 billion parameters. And here we are at the chat page. Hello. I can also use the voice if I want.
It's nice to meet you. Is there something I can help you with, or would you like to chat?
I'm going to change this voice. I want a better one, but I've just installed it. It seems to work. So, tell me about Columbus, Ohio. Now remember, we're completely offline. I'm running this on my computer without any internet.
Columbus, the capital city of Ohio, is a vibrant and diverse metropolitan area with a rich history, cultural attractions, and a thriving economy. Here are some interesting facts about Columbus. 1 population. As of 2020, Columbus has.
And that's why I'm going to change the voice, because it only lasts 15 seconds using the browser's built-in voice. But here are some of the other features. Okay, lots of stuff there for Columbus, Ohio. It actually speaks in 10 different languages, so if I need another language to communicate, I can. Okay, hurry up. We'll just go to the library. So at the library, you can upload a book, and that'll take me to, I like Romeo and Juliet. I've already got it, but I'm going to show you the uploading process. Library, we'll call it a novel, and that way it gives it a category. So if I want to search by category, whether they're manuals for an inverter like here, or other things. Anyways, you've got different categories to assign them to. So let's click Romeo and Juliet here. And so it comes up in a PDF browser. This is a kind of a short version. Unfortunately, you have to click up here to change. But if I click here, it'll open up in a big PDF browser. So here are some of the things I've added, which if I go like this, it says Ask Clyde. I click that, and it takes me over to Clyde and adds that dialogue. And it then explains what Shakespeare's play is. Let me see if we can get a speaker.
This is the opening chorus from William Shakespeare's play Romeo and Juliet. Let me break it down for you in simpler terms.
Yeah, it's already ran out of juice. I've got to fix that. But anyways, I actually have fun with this because it's not like I can really understand what Shakespeare's saying half the time. But this tells you exactly the story, what's going on. And of course, if you have a PDF folder of a manual to fix my, say, car or my solar system, then it will explain the same way. The AI will then explain whatever the manual's trying to tell you in a better way, really. Okay, way too long. So if I click PDF, it should take me back to the same place. Yep, it did. So then I can continue looking at other stuff. If I go here and click back to PDF or chat, it will take me right back to the same page where I can continue the chat over here. For some people who might not like my chat window, they might want to go to the model itself, which is Llama. Actually, Llama is a dispenser of models. Should work. Actually, haven't tried this lately. Yep, there it is. So I can now use the model's built-in UI. And what can I say? Tell me about Mudsock, Ohio. Of course, it ain't going to know about Mudsock, Ohio. But it did the best it could. So, the beauty of this is, if you have no internet and you need to find out something, a manual, anything actually, let's try something else. I've got squash bugs on my zucchini plants. How do I get rid of them? Okay, you get the idea. Not sure what else question to ask it. My dog seems to have problems chewing, like his teeth hurt. Hurt. Okay. Tell me about Shanghai. What's the average temperature in Phoenix, Arizona? Okay, that's just a little demonstration of what it's capable of. This is people, preppers, they prepare for what's coming by storing food, storing water, guns and ammunition, any manner of prepping item, medical supplies, so forth. But this this AI is as valuable as anything. It might be more valuable because of what it does. So it's just a little. Do I have anything else to show here? No, I think I've covered it. I've got more to add, of course. Talk to you later.